I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the actual shortcut and pointing it at the app you want to relabel. First, pick a square PNG or SVG around 512 x 512 and add it to Photos or Files so it's accessible. Then open Shortcuts iOS or your launcher's shortcut editor Android and create a new shortcut that launches the app's intent or URL scheme. Once done, name the shortcut clearly. This name becomes the label under the icon and helps you find it quickly. Next, you assign your prepared image to that shortcut so the new icon appears on the home screen. Tap the shortcut's icon placeholder and choose Replace with Photo or File, then pick your 512 x 512 image. Crop if needed and preserve transparency for launcher masks. Make sure the action targets the app package or proper URL scheme. This avoids opening the shortcut editor instead of the app. After assigning, run the shortcut to verify it launches the app immediately. Finally, add the shortcut to your home screen and arrange it where you want. Create folders or dock it for quick access. Once placed, long press to lock or hide labels if your launcher supports it. If the icon reverts or shows a default image, clear the launcher cache or reapply the icon, then reboot. Sometimes permissions for files/photos must be granted. Make sure to back up your custom images and shortcut file so you can restore them after updates or when switching devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.